Hey guys, I wanted to share this with you. I couldn't believe it. 50% off of Proven Winners Leafjoy plants. And that's the 17 centimeter and 12 centimeter containers. The 12 centimeters usually go for $19.98, as you could see there. And the other one's $29.98. They're half off, guys. So if you're interested in any of these plants here, get to Home Depot. I went to the one in Frederick, Maryland off of 355 Urbana Pike. So if you're in the area, get there. It's a really good deal. And most of them look pretty good. You know, they tend to overwater stuff, but for that price, I think it's worth buying the plant and doing what you have to rehab that plant, because that's a good deal. All right, so just wanted to share that with you. I didn't purchase anything from there. I almost did, but I decided not to, and thank God I did not, because when I went to Lowe's, I got quite the surprise. I was about to leave there, almost filmed a quick video, but then I saw something that blew me away, and I'll share that in a separate video with you. Okay, so look out for that video, and if you're interested, get there. I almost bought that one though, honestly. I love that plant, but I've killed one off already, so I didn't want to do it again. I wasn't ready for it. So if you're in the area, and check out your Home Depot. This might be company-wide. I really don't know, but I've never seen them mark anything half off. So get there quick, guys. Happy shopping.